Peeps. Hi. So this is a product review. Culinary Elements microwave egg poacher. Now I've never ate poached eggs before, and I have an idea what it is. And this says that it cooks the yolk before it cooks the whites before it cooks the yolks. And it has several instructions based on the microwave that you have. It's completely microwavable. I have microwave eggs before, so um, that's interesting within itself. So we're going to open this package up. I'm going to, Jesus, they make it so nobody can get in it. Please remove before use. Okay. Let's take a look at what it looks like inside. Oh, it slides off. And of course they put instructions. So it looks like it has a container to hold 2 eggs. And apparently you can make cooked hot dogs in this, just cook it on this, according to the instructions. Right there. See that? So, I think you're going to have to put 2 eggs, an egg in each one, and then see, cooking medium, refer to time about hard yolk. Allow your egg to stand for 2 minutes. Cook again for probably 90 seconds. Break egg into poacher center. Pour a teaspoon of water over each egg. Press the Okay. And so it looks like we'll have to poke the eggs around the corner just to let the water get in. Okay, so let's go ahead and poach 2 eggs. Let me go wash this first because I don't know where this been. Oh, here's the instruction for cooking hot dogs. According, you can place up to let's see. Up to 3 hot dogs. Yeah, or whatever. Okay. All right, let me go wash this out and get the eggs and put a little water on it, and then we're gonna see what these poached eggs look like. Peeps, I'm back. So, I'm cracking 1 egg and put it in there. Now it's telling me that I need to put 1 teaspoon of water in here. So let me find a teaspoon. Teaspoon. And where's my knife? I gotta poke around. Okay. The next one we're gonna make a double. So I'm just out of pure curiosity. If we have enough, you know something, we may not have enough. No, we're not gonna have enough room for 2. So I'm gonna cook both of these. And what I'm going to do, the difference, I meant to go grab some cheese. I'm gonna put cheese on one of them and not the other. So peeps, I'm back. So I'm gonna take one of them, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little cheese on top of them. I don't know how well that's gonna work, but it is what it is. You always gotta do something different. Cheese sticking to my fingers. Just a little bit more. Okay. Now I'm gonna seal up the container. And I'll put this in the microwave. Okay, peeps. Now, it did some unusual popping sounds while it was cooking. So, see what it looks like. See that? Now, this cooked for 1 minute and 50 seconds, and I think it's cooked longer than I should have cooked it. Because the yolk is completely cooked, which is the way I will eat it. My son doesn't eat it that way. He says he likes his eggs runny. I don't like them runny. Smells like egg, pretty much. So let's do a quick taste test. Tastes like an egg. No, I don't taste much of the cheese though. That's the only thing Okay, cheese on the other side. Definitely gotta remember next time to add more cheese. But if you like poached eggs or runny poached eggs, this might be the tool for you. Don't do it for a minute in 50 seconds. That apparently is too long. You may want to start off in 30-second increments and go to the desired runniness of your eggs. But yeah, this is not too bad. This is another way of making eggs without frying them. And yeah, and these cheesy eggs are not bad. Actually, putting the cheese on them actually make them taste really, or much better, I should say, than if I just ate a hard-boiled egg. Because this is what it kind of reminds me of, a hard-boiled egg. So if you like hard-boiled eggs, well, when it cooked in less than 10 minutes, because usually if you boil it in the water, you gotta let it run for a while. This will make you a hard-boiled egg in about 1 minute and 50 seconds. Throw a little cheese on it, or some seasonings that you prefer, and you have you a hard-boiled egg without the shell, or as they call it, poached. That is nice. That is nice. I don't think I'll make egg. I don't think I'll boil eggs again after this. But the cheese is the kicker. That cheese on my back home, don't play with me. Now, what I recommend is, I don't remember how much I paid for this, but I think I got it for $3.99 at the local food line. Is it worth it? Yeah, sure. If you are an egg lover and you like to periodically make eggs and you like poached eggs, like I said, this is the first time I've even eaten a poached egg. Definitely didn't want it runny. I'm not sure if my son is going to eat the other one because he says he liked the eggs runny. Don't know why. But I highly recommend it. It's a good product, and it's plastic, so it's microwavable. It's dishwasher friendly. Clean it, store it away. Next video, I might try to cook a hot dog, but I don't like hot dogs. But I do have some of those hair smokes. I'll try one of those on this and see how well it actually works. Before to split it up a little bit and then put it in. We'll see how that works. Until next time, family, you take care of yourself.